Hello and welcome to another review video. Today we are looking at the Ring Indoor Plug-in Security Cam. This is the indoor security camera from Ring, not the Ring doorbell for outside. If you're looking for that, I do have a video you can click on right here to check that out. It is for the new 2021 wired doorbell for only $60 right now. Alright, this camera features 1080p video. It's got two-way talk, motion detection, night vision, easy installation so you can monitor things right from your phone or from an Alexa device. This is a wired camera, so good news is you never have to worry about power. It's non-stop power plugged directly in, but it is not wireless, so if you want to mount it up on a wall or something, then you will have to worry about the wiring for it and where to run the wires and stuff. And we'll find out when we install this on the phone, but it should work directly with the Ring app. Like I have the one for outside, so it should go hand in hand with the other Ring camera I have outside, and we'll see how that looks after we open this up, and then we'll install it and go from there. So let's open this up. All right, we got an easy setup guide, user manual, and a Ring sticker you can put on your window or door or wherever to display that you are protected by Ring audio video surveillance. Alright, we got power supply and mounting hardware in here. Alright, so we got our power adapter, micro USB, and a few screws with anchors for mounting on a wall. And of course our camera. Looks very nice and small. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in. I'm actually going to go ahead and install it in this room. I have my birds on this side of the room, and I'm going to use this to be able to monitor them, or to have a camera on them at night basically, because that's the only time they're in there. But that's the plan right now for this. Let's go ahead and plug it in, and then we'll set it up. All right, micro USB plugs right into the back, and then this plugs into the wall.
Say hello to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
All right, not sure if you heard that. It's just said to follow the instructions on your Ring app to continue. Right now we got a little blue LED flashing. And now I'm gonna find my phone. Okay, I already have the Ring app installed because I have the other Ring device outside. To add a device. Okay, so down here at the, okay, right here it says to set up a device. We're gonna select security cams. Scan the code on your Ring device. You can also find it on the product packaging. Yeah, so it's on the back. There's a little QR code on the back of the camera. And then there's a QR code on the setup instructions. Give your indoor cam a name. I'm going to call it Office. Let's plug in your indoor cam. We already did that. Cam is on. Wait for indoor cam to enter setup mode. When the light on the front begins flashing blue, continue to the next step. Alright, the light is flashing blue. This temporarily connects your phone directly to your indoor cam to complete setup. Alright, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi on.
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device.
Okay.
Your Ring device is now connecting to your Wi-Fi network.
Okay.
This might take a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
But we're not building Rome. We're setting up a camera.
Setup was successful.
Yay!
You're always home.
Alright. So on your Ring app, you can view on the timeline what it sees throughout the day. I believe you have to subscribe to, I think it's like a couple dollars a month, so you can get recordings saved to the cloud. For my outdoor cam, the trial just ran out. So now if I go back to the timeline, I can't see things that happened in the past. I can still get a live view or check a live view when someone comes to the door or whenever motion's detected, but I can't go back and look at things in the past because it doesn't save them. Okay, stop flashing blue. Hey, there I am. Woo! Alright, so let's tap on that. Oh, it's
Your
updated.
Ring device is updating its internal software. Please wait for the light to stop flashing before use. This can take a while, so please be
Oh,
patient.
I guess it is flashing. I didn't think it was flashing. Was it flashing? I don't know. We'll check this out in a minute. Or 15 minutes. Now there's no light. Okay, it looks like it did the update. Tap here to complete your device setup. I already put it where I want to put it. I'm not going to mount it, so that's fine. Share to users, I don't need to do that. Or if you have different users, you could share it with different users on your account. Linked devices. So you can link other smart devices with the indoor cam, like if it detects motion, it could turn your lights on, or activate a smart plug, which could turn whatever you want on. Okay, motion detection on, motion alerts. I'm not going to have that on right now because it'll just make my phone go off every single time somebody or an animal, pets, comes in here. It'll just be going off like crazy. But I could have it on if I wanted to for whatever reason. Easy to turn on and off. So mode settings, link devices, motion snooze. I guess it just turns off motion detection for a certain amount of time. So if you get a Ring chime that's compatible with the Ring device, it will hook up to your Ring device, your Ring cam or Ring doorbell. You can select your motion sensitivity. People only mode. Well, that's cool. So maybe it'll, I don't know how well that works. We'll see. If you can set it so it only when it detects people, maybe not, dogs or. And you have more settings for your motion, settings for times and days. All right, so here's video settings. I'm not gonna go over everything in all of these different things, but you just got a lot of different. Here's all your settings, your general settings. You can change the name of your device. You can have it take a snapshot every certain amount of time, and then go back and look. Okay, so there's most of the settings and stuff you can look at there. Accessories or other stuff, all those different things you can buy to go with it. Okay, so let's go into the Ring app. And here we go. Here is front door. Show you, that's the other camera I have outside, the doorbell cam. And then here is this camera. There we go. Confused for a second, it's a little bit delayed. All right, so picture quality looks really good, I think. It's supposed to be 1080, so looks pretty good. You've got your speaker things down here that you can do your two-way talk. It'll detect the audio, and you can press and hold the green button at the bottom to talk through the camera. Hello? Hello? Every time it detects motion, it will automatically record for a couple minutes. Oh, okay. So you can edit your motions. I was wondering about this because you could do it on the one for the outdoor Ring. So you can set your zones here, so it only detect movement in wherever you set it on here. So that is cool. Okay, so you record up to 120 seconds when it detects motion. Okay, if you're interested in saving your recordings and your pictures that it takes, it gives you a 30-day. It gives you 30 days free. Ring Protect plan, 30 days left. I got that when I had the outdoor camera as well. Alrighty. So if you want to do where you can save your videos, Protect Plus is $10 per month. per location. My bird's making some noise. So all Ring devices you have for $10 a month. Protect Basic is $3 a month per device. So unless you got more than 3 devices, that'd be a lot of Ring cameras. But I could see, I could see doing that. If you have a large house, or you just want to have one on your front door, your back door, maybe another one monitoring somewhere else outside, or multiple rooms, whatever. It would definitely be cool to have a lot of these cameras around the house. So if you have a lot and you want to save all your video coverage, $10 a month. Okay, so pretty cool. I like this camera quite a bit. I mean, it's really, I think quality is really good. It looks nice. It's only $60, so it's not too bad for a security camera. And it works with Alexa. It'll work with your Echo devices, your Echo Show if you have one. It'll show it on your Echo Show screen. Obviously, you could use your mobile phone. You can pull it up on your computer on the Ring website. All right, so if you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below to Amazon for the $60 wired indoor cam. They do have one for $85, which is basically the same thing, except for it's a wireless camera. So you have to charge it, but you're able to stick it wherever you want without having to worry about it being wired. So I'll put a link down below for those, and that'll be all for this video. I thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or just want to help me out, you can like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.